Alright, so currently there are only 3 Infinix smartphones that boost the XOS 10.6 based on the latest Android 12 out of the box. The Infinix Note 12 VIP, the Infinix G96 and Infinix Hot 12. So in this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks. First, when you swipe the home screen to the left hand side, what you have is a new interface. Unlike other smartphones from Samsung and Xiaomi, when you swipe from to the left hand side, you have Google Home. But in the case of the latest Infinix smartphones that run the XOS 10.6 based on Android 12, you have a new interface. The first thing you notice would be the motivational quotes at the top. Anytime you need new inspirational quotes, just swipe the home to the left side. You will see different form of quotes to motivate you or inspire you. Then below that you have the RAM. This will quickly help you to clear the memory to help the smartphone to perform faster. Then you also have the stats. That one is for those who want to keep fit. That will help you to keep time and keep up to date with your fitting exercise. Then you have the smart scenes. The smart scenes will help you to know of important dates, maybe forthcoming holidays or forthcoming events. And if those events are important to you, that's something you love to do that day, you can quickly click on the new reminder and set alarm that will help you to remind you of the forthcoming events. So this feature is unique to the Infinix Note 12 VIP, Infinix Note 12 Turbo, and Infinix Hot 12 running XOS 10 based on Android 12 software. Then under setting, you have the system navigation. Let's talk about that. Now, I prefer using of gesture, but there are others who still prefer to the old system that is 3 button. So what you do, go to settings, swipe down to system, then under system you have the system navigation where you can choose the gesture navigation or 3 button navigation. In my case, like I said, I prefer gesture navigation. Then under special function, that's other place you have bunch of features. And you have the memory fusion. What the memory fusion does, the memory fusion helps to convert some part of your internal storage into virtual RAM. That will help your Infinix smartphone to run smoothly. So the Infinix Note 12 VIP, for example, gets 8 gigs of RAM, but the virtual RAM or memory fusion, if you extend them to 13 gigs of RAM. In other words, the other 5 gigs of RAM will be coming from the internal storage. And if you are using the Hot 12, what you have will be 3 gigs of virtual RAM added to the 4 gigs hardware. That will be 7 gigs of RAM in total. That should help your smartphone to perform smoothly. Then you also have the smart panel that you can also activate in any interface. This will help use a tool that help your favorite applications to be one step away from you. For example, with the smart panel, you have series of things you can do. You have your favorite apps on the right hand side. You have screenshots. You have a screen recorder. You have scanner. You have alarm, and even virtual volume that you can use your hand to swipe up and down to increase or decrease the volume. Then you also have the game mode. The Infinix smartphones, the Note 12 VIP or Note 12 G96 or Hot 12, as far as they are with MediaTek Helio G series, is for gaming. The G is for gaming. Now you have a feature known as the game mode under the special function. Now this is to help you have an awesome gaming experience. First, when you toggle the game mode on, you have access to the game assistant panel. So if you are playing game, you slide the panel out from the side of the game interface, and this will help you to have external features to improve your gaming experience. Then, to help you not to spend unnecessary time on gaming every time, you have the game data. The game data will help you to view your game duration and data usage to make sure you are having a moderate habit of gaming, so you don't spend too much time or important times using for gaming. So you have to, the game data will help you to keep yourself in check while you are gaming. Then you also, below underneath the game mode, you also have the floating window setting. There you can activate up to 2 applications to enable floating window while playing games. So in my case now, I activated or enabled the Chrome and WhatsApp. So in other words, I can be playing games, and then once in a while I can access those other applications to see to catch up on what's going on without quitting my games. Then you also have the bunch of other features like video assistant, S-Clone, where you can have double applications for WhatsApp, Facebook, so on and so forth. And then also have the action and gesture, where you have series of action and gestures you can activate. So the Infinix Note 12 VIP, Infinix Note 12 G96, and Infinix Hot 12, they boot Android 12, and the skin software is 10.6 skin software, which is not much different from the XOS 10 that I've previously talked about. So I'm going to show you. You can click this card here, video card here, to watch extensively on the Infinix XOS 10 that I previously talked about. They are almost similar feature with the XOS 10.6. But I hope with these few features, they should help you enjoy your Infinix Note 12 VIP more. Remember to subscribe and turn on the post bell. It's my here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around in my next one.